XRP just broke a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another XRP analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on XRP yesterday, we mentioned the fact that we could definitely be looking for a possible double bottom formation and then a continuation for the upside, but we would have to get above the exponential moving averages. You can see that XRP did hit that double bottom pretty much perfectly. We were oversold on the RSI and are currently trading above this beautiful resistance level here at 36 cents. Now, you guys already know that this 36-cent level acts as a very strong resistance / support for XRP. And every time we see a break of this formation, we do have a nice waterfall effect to the downside. And every time we break above this resistance level, we do get a very strong push. Ideally, anything in between is just a consolidation. This is why we have to wait for that proper confirmation to see whether or not we continue breaking up or we just continue breaking down with a proper confirmation and a close of that candle. As of right now, though, on XRP, we did have a beautiful bullish engulfing candle break above the exponential moving averages right into that resistance, and now we are currently forming a gravestone doji. Ideally, what I would like to see on XRP right now would be a retest of this support level, a consolidation, and then a continuation. If we do get that, then we can definitely be looking for further upside to around the 41-42 cent. But before we go jump into that, I did want to point one thing out. If you guys are paying attention on the 4-hour chart, you'll start to notice a pattern that is being formed on XRP currently. Right now, we are forming a W formation, which is a bullish indication, and the take profit on that level, if assuming it does play out, would be around the 43 cents. We have to be very, very careful here because of the fact that we would pretty much have to wait for confirmation. But if we do get a break above this 39-cent resistance with a clean formation to the upside, guys, this move will be extremely explosive. We would have to wait for that confirmation and then that continuation, but that level at 44 cents will be the take profit level for this move set to play out. Ideally, what you want to be doing here is you want to be waiting for this pullback opportunity, wait for the candlestick to close, and then entering that position, possibly playing to the upside. But of course, keep in mind, because of the volatility and the news with the Fox News today mentioning the fact that the SEC XRP lawsuit is pretty much done tomorrow, we would have to be very, very careful. Ideally, we are trading a macro event, and obviously when you trade news events, you tend to have a lot more volatility, so just keep that in mind when you guys are looking for these sort of positions. This news event, of course, is quite, bearish or bullish regardless. We don't really care about that. What we care about is whether or not the chart is going to hold up on this 36 cents, right? A lot of traders get a little bit confused, right? They start entering positions solely based off news. And although news events are very good to trade, you really need to understand the fact that there is extreme volatility with news events as well. Looking at the lower times for XRP, we can see that we do have this beautiful gravestone doji being formed on the hourly, but we would have to wait for a bearish continuation. Ideally, what we would like to see from a bearish moveset is this rejection candle break below that support and the exponential moving averages, have a nice pullback to retest this confirmation as resistance, and then that continuation. But if we do see a beautiful retest of the support line and actually start to consolidate this level, this will indicate the fact that XRP is ready to continue pushing upwards and possibly breaking that W formation around the 44 cents. Guys, we have a W formation being formed on the hourly as well as the 4-hour. This is why I'm leaning towards a more short-term bullish price action on XRP, but we have to wait for confirmation. These sort of move sets are obviously very manipulated, so if we do see a manipulation move and a continuation to the downside, that will cause a lot of stop losses to be hit, and of course a very large liquidation period to the downside. This can definitely excel us over to my level of 28 cents, but again, I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish long-term on XRP. In my opinion, I just trade the charts and I kind of tell you guys exactly where the next levels are going to be. But right now, if we do see that break of that formation at 36 cents, things can definitely start looking weird again for XRP overall. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.